In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a QR code for your PDF documents. So the first thing we need to do is head over to an internet browser. Then you need to head over to the website google.com and just make sure you're signed in to your Google account. Now, if you don't already have a Google account, then you can sign up for free. And once you're signed into your Google account, click on this square icon in the top right navigation, click on Drive. Then click on the New button in the top left and select File Upload. Now from here, you'll just need to locate where you saved your PDF document. And once you've found it, just double click on it to upload it to your Google Drive. Then what we can do is click on Recent from our Google Drive, select the three vertical dots next to your PDF document, click on Share, and then press the Share button. Then what you need to do is make sure General Access is set to anyone with the link, and then you can go and press Copy Link. Click on the Done button, and now what you'll need to do is head back over to Google and type in QR code generator and hit enter. Now you can use any of these websites to do this. The one that I like to use is this top one here, qrcodegenerator.com. Then in the top left hand side, click on URL and simply paste in the link that we just copied from our Google Drive. Once you've done that, you can see it will generate this QR code on the right hand side, and now what we simply need to do is press download JPEG, and once it's finished downloading, it will be in your downloads folder over here, so we can then open that up and share it with our contacts. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.